Explore and cook. Tandoori ki chutney. Heat kadai and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of peanut or moongfally. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin or zira. Add 4 5 garlic pods. Add 3 green chilies and few curry leaves. Add 3 chopped tomatoes. Mix and fry. Fry till tomatoes are soft. Tomatoes are soft and fried well. Add some tamarind. Fry tamarind for a few seconds. Remove them in a plate. Keep them aside. In same oil add half kg of chopped tandoori. Fry chopped tandoori on high to medium flame. Fry for 10 minutes. Fry until tandooris are soft. Tandooris are fried nicely, turn off flame. Let them cool down. In a jar add fried tomato mixture. Add salt to taste. Grind coarsely. Add fried tandooris in it. Add half coriander bunch and find it. Chutney is done. In 2 teaspoons of heated oil add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin or zira. Add half teaspoon of chana dal and give a mix. Add few curry leaves and garlic pods. Add 2 dried red chilies. Add tempering on chutney. Tandoori ki chutney is ready. Do try and taste this yummy chutney with plain rice or chapati. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.